All right, folks, we're going to get into doing a little bit of care and preventative maintenance for your Depthfinder monitor. First thing I want to do, get that cover off. Always put your cover on because you do not want to scratch this up. And this is a product that I've used that I think does a nice job taking care of that screen. And it's in pretty good condition. Like, a lot of times I have a lot of salt spray on there and I got to do this multiple times, but I'm just going to spray that a couple times. Use the microfiber towel there. And I keep this in my vehicle. I do it as soon as I get off the water, but I'm showing you here and now what I do to make sure that I always have a clean screen. I'm gonna hit that one more time. It's looking messy around the corners. All right, that's in good shape. I get that cover back on there. And next, I've been in some salt water, and it's a little bit messy there. A little bit of green corrosion nastiness in there. Actually, these three are ones that I'm not using. I'm using the outer two. And one thing I want to do is just to keep that salt water out of there. I just got a little bit of bulb grease. This is dielectric bulb grease, and I got a couple Q-tips here, and just gonna squish a little bit of that on there. And keep those connections from getting that saltwater nastiness in there. You can do it to the other part, the part that plugs in there. I'm gonna go ahead and hit these other ones just because I may decide to use one of these other. Actually, one of these I do use. It's for the puck, the GPS puck. So one of those needs to be cleaned out a little bit more probably. But that, and then I'm just wiping off the excess. You know, I got some down in there, but anything on the outside I'm cleaning off, because all that does is serve to capture dirt, which it already has. Look at that. Yeah. All right. So that'll be ready for me. Next time I need to see a big fish eating the school of bait fish on the side imaging. I got a nice clean screen there to know exactly what I'm looking at, and I'm gonna have good connections on the back.